glimpse of our Sasta YouTube studio setup. सस्ता है सस्ता है सस्ता है सस्ता है सस्ता है सस्ता है वर्क 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 कैसे में Alexa, change the color of the light to blue. Thank you. Let's do first unboxing video of
Vinci John.
no
Provokes.
Provoke stick.
Again, what we got today?
AirPods, AirDops.
Nice.
Unbox. I was thinking how to make this channel more nice. So unboxing videos. Solo bought this. I'm unboxing this now. Let's start. Let's put this aside for time being. In that video now.
In the box, we got AirDops itself.
डब्बा में क्या है देखते पहले डब्बा में.
We have the other box in which they gave the charging cable.
और नहीं चाहिए वेरी स्नेहा ककर in the box.
Board original cable.
And we got Neha Kakkar in the box. Only the photo, not the person.
And we even got some extra earbuds, just in case the AirDops didn't fit your ears well.
Which they do. The normal ones were fine. Hey, we got Kaira as well. I only want the photo, not the warranty. Let's cut this here. Cut it here. We cleared out the mess. Only need this photo now.
So we initially got 6 buds for fitting all sizes of ears, and we even got a pair of these adjustment rings, just in case you lose them. So let's jump to the main part. We got the both AirDops itself. They come in this nice pebble shape, which is really nice to hold. As opening it, we have these LED lights.
Gimmick and matter.
We have these LED lights to show the indicator. So let's just connect them. We got the AirDops system
AirDops connected.
connected.
Now
You can see they connected really fast.
No marfa.
Now we can just take them out and just plug them in our ears. Let's get some R&B music on.
R&B. What do you mean by R&B? Pasha? Gimmick?
Let's just test the vocals for now.
Vocals, oh, vocals, Posh. He's got ear on here. So not fitting my ear. Okay, ulta. We should put on some Avicii. Avicii OP in the chat. Rest in peace, bro.
We love you.
Ooh. Nice vocals. Posh. Hands on the best budget wireless earbuds.
TWS. Truly wireless earbuds. Let's put them back in the case. So what I can learn from these AirDops is that AirDops got a sweet spot at around 80% volume, at which AirDops perform best. The vocals, the bass, everything is just awesome. But as we go about to 100%, there's a little bit of distortion, just a little bit, but that's fine because it's the smoothest I've ever heard in TWS. At this particular price point, this TWS is the best.
So this is a nice headphone, nice TWS as you said. As a workout freak, I work out all the time. This fits your ear perfectly. Like if you wear the headphones will fall off. This fit your ears perfect. Good. And the music, boy, phenomenal, amazing. You can compare this to the AirPods, but not till that level. You can compare this. It cancels sound a bit, not that much. It cancels, but it's amazing. It's the best in the price.
Noise
You can compare this to the other TWS in this price range. It's good. It's better than those. After some cheap choppy acting, I will unbox AirPods also, just for the sake of the title. And we'll compare them also. What's there? Yeah, let's unbox some AirPods. Designed by Apple in California. Oh, I got it China. AirPods here లోపల. Hey, ఒక్క పని చెప్పినా నీకు సైకిల్. లోపల AirPods పెట్టామని. ఏదైనా AirPods. Pocket. Nice. AirPods. Let's listen to AirPods first.
The packaging of this AirPods is also really nice. We got some extra pair of earbuds. Nice packaging.
AirPods Pro. Some useless. Some nonsense. Some Chinese. I want some fast food too. I want some fast food, bro. Please, bro, open. Stop it, bro. Why tasties? Why Malkangri tasties? Why do you do this?
Why Corona? Why?
We can. Nothing happened. When you go. Why tasties? I wrote like, I repeat this. Which way you guys even bought an iPhone. So it worked perfectly.
As soon as we open it, we got the pop-up window.
Connect.
See, both of them have 100% charging. And I got some Spotify.
Apple to Apple, Emma. You can't compare Apple with any other thing. Noise cancellation on.
Hello.
Talk something.
Yo, what's up, mate? Your girlfriend left here. Your girlfriend left here. Your girlfriend left here.
Girlfriend.
That's it.
Comparing both of this, if you think I'm gonna say that the AirTubes are better, no, I'm not gonna say that. It's common sense. It's AirPods, these are AirTubes. But we can compare this both. It's good, like same standard. So the real test of this boat headphones, earbuds, is gonna be while working out. So what is the most intense exercise you can do? Burpees. Hardest burpees. So I'm now gonna try burpees. We'll see whether they stay in my ears or not. I'm not wearing any shoes because I want to do this barefoot and it's too hot. So let's start. If it's snug, pada chola ke vache exercise chesnam anko. And that's it for like review. Now let's go and enjoy. Honestly, bro, this 3 videos a week is pretty good, I guess. Like 3 videos a week is a big thing, right? Big for me, actually, and for him also, and for Tanvir also, and for everyone. So like all the videos, like this video, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that fucking subscribe button. Fuck it up. Did like twice, thrice, fries. Yeah, I did fries and I'll get you fries. Okay. So Benji's right there. He's searching for me. The thing is, we didn't pay the bill and I have the money. Argo. I have the way searching for me, bro. I have the money, you didn't pay the bill. We'll see how long he's gonna stay there. It's been more than 20 minutes and he's still searching. I think he found me now. He's really pissed. Bye, Benji! Is he fucking pissed? I better pay the bill. People fighting there. Graphic content. Forgot the tripod, so we came all the way back for tripod.